Is there a best time of year to replace windshield wiper blades? When it comes to keeping your car in top shape, one question that often pops up is whether there is a best time of year to replace windshield wiper blades. For teenagers who are just starting to drive and take care of their own vehicles, this is an important topic. So, let's break it down. Generally, it is recommended to replace windshield wiper blades every 6 to 12 months. However, the best practice is to do this before the start of spring and winter. These seasons usually bring the most rain, snow, and other types of precipitation. Having effective wipers is essential for keeping your windshield clear and ensuring safe driving. Replacing wiper blades twice a year, once before spring and once before winter, is a great guideline. This is because the blades can wear out due to exposure to sunlight, cold temperatures, and dirt over time. For teenagers learning about car maintenance, it is important to regularly check the condition of your wiper blades. Here are some signs that indicate it might be time for a replacement. If you notice streaks or smears left on your windshield when the wipers are in use, that usually means the rubber is worn or damaged. Another sign is if you hear squeaking or screeching noises while using the wipers, especially when the windshield is clean and wet. This indicates that the blades are not gliding smoothly anymore. Additionally, look for visible cracks, tears, or gaps in the rubber on the blades. When replacing wiper blades, it is best to change both of them at the same time. This ensures even and effective cleaning. If you live in a colder climate, you might need to replace your blades more often. Ice and snow can cause them to wear out faster. For teenagers managing car maintenance, setting reminders to check your wiper blades every 6 months is a smart move. Replacing them before seasons with heavy rain or snow will help maintain clear visibility and safer driving conditions. Learning how to replace wiper blades yourself is a useful skill that can save you both time and money. It is usually a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Most wiper blades can be purchased at auto parts stores or online for about $10 to $20 each. While wiper blades can last up to a year, the best practice is to replace them about every 6 months, especially before spring and winter. This way, you can ensure they work well when you need them the most.